Paano mag-withdraw sa Dragonfly Securities? May mga nagtatanong nito bakit hindi raw agad ma-withdraw ang pera nila pag nagbenta ng stocks. Pag nagbenta ka ng stocks, hindi agad ma-withdraw kasi merong settlement period na T plus 2, meaning it takes 2 business days to complete the transaction. Example, nag-sell ka ng stocks mo ng Wednesday, plus 2 business days, so mapupunta sa cash balance mo by Friday. Pag Friday ka nag-sell, hindi kasama sa count ang weekends. Madali lang mag-withdraw sa Dragonfy. I-tap mo lang ang withdraw and kailangan ng enrolled bank account. Pag wala ka pang enrolled bank account, tap plus. Choose mo ang bank mo. Traditional banks lang ang allowed as settlement banks. Digital banks are not allowed due to their lack of integration with stockbrokers and regulatory requirements. And then, add bank. Kailangan same ang bank account name sa Dragonfly account name mo. And then, save. Input amount to withdraw. And then, tap request a withdrawal. And then, confirm. Mabilis lang na deposit sa BPI account ko yung withdrawal ko. After a few minutes lang, pumasok na sa BPI ko.